Hello, my loves. It's Kasha, Plannerista 101. Today we're going to be creating a spread in my meal plan as well as my wellness plan. So this one is my meal plan and it is called Cooking 101. We're going to be creating the spread for August 26th through September 1st. And I'm going to be using a sticker sheet that I have from Crafty Planner Queen. I'm going to be using the Daily Florals from Calvin Plan and this girl from Verse Planning. So all of these are going to be together and we'll see how it comes out. But here we go. If this is your first time joining, welcome. I hope you like it here. If you have been here before and you're spending more time with me, thank you so much. I appreciate you. Okay, so I don't know where I want to put her yet, this lovely little girl. So I'm just going to go ahead and create the spread a little bit and then go from there. So yeah, and then we'll of course write in my planner all of the meal plans for this week. Look at these stickers from Crafty Planner Queen, like so gorgeous. So gorgeous. Just love it. Okay, so here we go. Not too bad. I did kind of mess up that line, but oh well. And look at these florals. They are stunning. Like this is a really, really stunning collection of stickers is what I wanted to say. That stopped because I am like mesmerized by them. Look at that little like moon and all of that stuff. It's just gorgeous. Okay. So like I said, it's going to be a little bit of hodgepodge of stickers. I don't know if it's going to make sense, but I'm going to do my best to kind of make it cohesive. And we shall go from there. Stardust, look at that. Okay, and all of these like crystals with flowers, and I'm going to put that girl walking in between all of that stuff. I think that's good. I love her little outfit. She's not necessarily a stargazer, but I thought that might fit. So we'll see. If it's really bad, we can always take her off. Okay, so I'm adding all sorts of stars to the spread. I want to add this floral. This one's a much more pale one. And then we'll add that. Okay, and like a moth. Sky map. I think that's really cute. Look at this telescope. Isn't that stunning? So I'm going to put it right there. I'm placing these so carefully because I want to make sure that I have enough room to still write all of my meal plans. This is a pretty important part of my week to make sure that it is actually functional since I use it all the time. Okay, I'm going to add just a little bit of that blue right here. And I think, let's see. I think let's put this back in, write my meals, and see if I still need to add anything. But so far, so good. At least, I think so. So I'm just gonna add the name and the shop here so I remember to tell you guys what it is. And I'll write the rest of it. So yeah, okay. So let's go ahead and plan this. So breakfast is going to be a protein box. Like I said last time, I am trying to include a lot more protein in my meals. So that's what's happening here. So we have cottage cheese. Sweet bell peppers. I know it's such a weird breakfast that I'm eating, but you know, and a hard-boiled egg. I don't know what to tell you guys, so just gonna be what it's gonna be. So same thing for the other days. It's gonna be protein boxes. I might just kind of mix it up a little with the stuff that I'm putting in. Maybe not. Actually, let's keep it the same for those 2 days. So that'll be easy. I for sure will need energy for Monday and Tuesday. So protein packs again. And then same thing. I think that's the easiest if I just keep them the same. What do you guys do for breakfast typically? Do you eat breakfast? Do you skip breakfast? Do you work in a facility where they have a cafeteria and they provide you breakfast? Like, how do you guys handle that part of your day? So I did make a hot like black bean soup that I can bring for lunches, and I think that's going to be really, really good for me. So beef nachos for sure. So tomato basil with mozzarella, that's like one of my go-tos. So basically a caprese salad. It's so good. Okay, and then for dinner on Tuesday, these actually take a lot of thought, you guys, like to figure out what to do. Steak, potatoes, and broccoli. Actually, let's do broccolini. That is good. And then Wednesday, I don't know what I'm doing Wednesday. I think I have plans, but I'm not sure, so I'm gonna figure it out. And then I'll be right back. Let's see. I'm just pulling my phone really quick. I think I'm going out on Wednesday. So I'll do the black bean soup for lunch again. And it seems I'm going out on Wednesday for dinner. So this way I'll just keep a lighter lunch. Okay. On Thursday, let's go ahead and plan that really quick. So another protein pack. So I work Monday through Thursday. So I do heavier breakfast because I need the energy to be awake and fully focused. Okay, and then let's go ahead and do the same exact thing, and then I can make the same like glass containers for all 4 of those days, and they'll be easy. I'm so sorry my hair keeps popping in the camera. I just noticed it now. Whenever I have my hair down or like a low pony, it seems to be in the camera. My hair is very long. So I'm gonna do black bean soup with chips, and then gołąbki, which is like a stuffed cabbage roll with meat and rice with tomato sauce. So that'll be Thursday. Friday, let's see. I can just have a hard boiled egg. Snacks, and I'm going out for girls' night out on Friday. So that will be good. And then Saturday we'll do eggs and toast, super easy. And then salmon, like a salmon burger on a sandwich. I think that might be really good. And then we'll do snacks. So during the weekend, I typically don't do lunch. I will have like a handful of walnuts or something like that to just keep me full, but nothing major. And then same thing with Sunday. So we'll do like a brunch, and then it'll be easy. So pasta with pesto, I think that'll be good. Okay, so that is my plan for the week. I hope you guys like it. And now we're going to go ahead and do my wellness. My wellness planner is the Celestial Elegance. I switched it in July, if you guys remember. So now it is dated and it's for the same week. So August 26th through September 1st. And we're going to go ahead and use another Crafty Planner Queen stickers. She made these fitness stickers, which are perfect for a wellness spread and just reminding yourself to move your body. And it's gorgeous, so how can you not use it? So I'm going to be using all 3 of her dolls because they are adorable. And then we're going to use all of the elements and create kind of this cohesive thing here. So bear with me as I place these down. And these are from her $2 Tuesday. You guys can use my name if she asks you where you came from. But yeah, so you pay $8 a month and then you get printables. So if you print your own stickers like I do, that is such a great deal. And her stickers are adorable. So look at these. Look at that. And then you can reprint them whenever you need them, right? Like they're here to last. Anyway, so here we go. I'm going to go ahead and create this quick little spread here. And this sheet is called Active Beauty. I'm going to be adding all these elements from her sheets. I think I'm going to empty this one out. Let's see. I certainly will try, right? So look at these bags. Like the yoga bag is so cute. These like water bottles are adorable. I love how all of this looks, and she even included like a fitness wellness planner. So yeah, they're super adorable. I'm gonna add them in 2 different spots. So yeah, I am loving it. Of course, your phone, because how can you not track stuff with your phone as well? So I'm just adding all of this and creating a little bit of stuff in here. Your weights. Yeah, it's so cute. A stretch band. And then she added these like branches of florals, and I think they are adorable, so I'm adding them in as well. I just want to reposition this so it's not blocking the flower. I want these to be spread out, and like I said, I don't put as much effort into the wellness spreads as I do into my catch-all. These are fully functional, and I can't really play with these much because I found a layout that works for me, and that's how I want to keep it. So here we go. I'm going to place this in. We're going to put some dots in. And then label it, and that'll be it. So not much more to go, and I am using the Zig pen, Zigzag pen, so that is pretty fun. And what I track is breakfast, lunch, dinner, snack, and then medication, mood, sleep, and steps. So pretty simple. So on the top I keep wider spaces for my meals, and then not so wide spaces for my feelings and stuff like that, because I journal. So if something's going on, it's going to be in my journal, but at least I have a gist of if like I wasn't eating or something, why was that and how I was feeling. So this is why I do that. But yeah, this is pretty much done. I am so thankful you came to spend a time with me and you stayed till the end of the video. Yay! If you stayed till the end, comment wellness. I just want to know how far you guys stayed. But yeah, thank you so much. I'm so excited you're here, and I'll see you guys very soon for another plan with me. Thanks for watching. Bye.